5.
Voilà votre carte d'étudiant.
Merci.
Au revoir, monsieur. Je vous souhaite un bon séjour à Paris.
Merci, madame. Au revoir.
Unité 0, page 11.
We try to fill out. In 10 seconds, I will play second audio.
After this, we have to submit, na ma'am?
After this, you can verify. I can take 2 minutes, 1 minute time, and carefully all are ticked out or not, checked out or not, all options, see there and submit. And I think all are getting marks there. They told that our marks are displaying. So everyone can take the screenshot of your marks. Everyone. Okay? If at all I miss anyone's names, because in some other batch I missed out for listening 1. So if at all I missed out, I'll ask you the marks. No need to send me. You can keep it with you. Second audio. Yeah, playing second audio.
Autour de l'école. Le professeur montre les locaux de l'école aux étudiants.
Aujourd'hui, on visite les locaux. C'est très bien. Regardez. À gauche, dans le bâtiment gris, nous avons toutes les salles de classe. À droite, dans l'immeuble moderne, il y a la bibliothèque, 2 salles de conférence, une salle de télévision et une autre pour projeter les films.
Qu'est-ce que c'est le bâtiment blanc?
En face, c'est la cafétéria. Et là-bas, derrière, se trouve le jardin.
Est-ce qu'il y a une salle de concert?
Oui, bien sûr. D'ici, vous allez tout droit. Elle se trouve devant l'accueil, près du parking. Il y a souvent des spectacles intéressants.
Yeah. For television, Dan Immobile Modern, they already indicated about television and all that. So near Immobile Modern only, they already indicated Adruvat.
Yeah.
So Adruvat, they already indicated all the places there about whatever the indication of all the places. In that only television is included. So according to that, you have to understand. So anyone still has doubt in the names here?
No, ma'am.
So do you want me to spell out the names here? Separately,
Please. Wait. Please.
First one is Ikri Khama. S T E F A N O. Stefano. I hope it is fine.
Oui, madam.
Yes, boys, man.
Oui. Yes, ma'am.
So S T E F A N O. So next one is Roslini. It is A O S S E L L E N E. A O S S E L L E N E. Roslini. I hope you got it.
Oui, madam. Ma'am, can we submit now, ma'am?
Yeah, 1 second. 1 second. Wait, don't submit anyone. 1 second. So yeah, you can submit now, everyone. Take the screenshot if marks are displayed. On view score, if you click out, you will get the score, and which are wrong, which are right, you will get it. Yeah, submit all of you and let me know. And those who have done separately screenshot, you can take 2 minutes time and fill out all the answers in Google form and submit. We fine? Other all can submit immediately. For those people only, I'm giving 2 minutes time.
Ma'am,
Carefully tick out as of you answered roughly. We see there and carefully tick out and then submit. Yes, tell me.
I submitted, ma'am. I got the points.
Okay, d'accord. We. And for some people, morning they told even Stefano is right also, they got wrong answer. It is like STEFANO should be there. Even if you done right and if it is wrong, then tell me anyone. With Roslini, there is no problem. With Stefano only, they told
it was wrong, ma'am.
For one, it is correct and one it is wrong. It came like that. For whom it is?
Ashwant.
Ashwant.
Even for me,
Yes,
ma'am.
Stefano was wrong, but I actually wrote it right. STEFPHANO.
STEFANO.
FAN.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I wrote it right, ma'am, but again, it's showing it as wrong, ma'am.
Who it is?
Chetra, ma'am. STEFANO.
D'accord, okay. So how many you got there?
It's a 13 out of 15, ma'am, but actually it should be then 14 if it is right. Stefano.
Okay, fine. So you got 13 there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. We.
Ma'am,
And that's less one.
ma'am,
Ma'am, I got 14.
The 1 mark where gone?
Yes, ma'am. Age is wrong.
Age is wrong. Why so? It's very clear now. Vansathon.
ma'am,
Seth is very clear now. Vansathon. Yes, tell me.
for the second audio, first one, will you say that answer, ma'am?
Second
As
audio.
submitted
Anyway,
already.
I'll discuss anyway the answers here.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, so all submitted?
Me, madam.
Oui, madam.
Everyone? Boys also?
Oui, madam. Everybody submitted.
Yeah, d'accord. So for the first one it is? Yes, tell me.
2 minutes break, ma'am. I have small.
Wait.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, see here, cette conversation est entre. Between whom?
Uniform.
Uniform.
Wait, d'accord, très bien. First option. So écrit comment? STEFANO, Stefano.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Oui, madam.
And Roslini.
ROSSELLINI.
ROSSELLINI. Roslini.
Oui, madam.
Double L I N I.
Yeah.
Wait, d'accord. In middle E is there. It's the surname of the family. Roslini. And Kella Jadil.
27.
27.
Vansathon.
Vansat.
Very clear it is. Wait. Eskil married, we know.
No, ma'am.
No.
He'll tell is celibate. We?
Yeah.
Yeah. Uabitil.
Grantheon.
Grantheon.
Paris.
Either Paris, either cis ending it is unique and Vantheon is unique.
Vantheon.
Wait. So either of the other you have to get it. So Vantheon. So it's the street number Vantheon. First option. Okay. What is mobile number?
4646.
No. First one. First one it is
01
01. We already it is there.
100135.
D'accord. Wait. So Caron cis.
Sis.
Parents is this
0 Wait, d'accord. 46, 01, 10 and 35.
35.
D'accord, très bien. So first number they told 01, but already it is there before blank. Wait, then second one. Who saw toothless all the class? Where they are?
Aghosh.
Aghosh, wait, very clear.
To the
it is
left.
Aghosh. Second option. Then Uyela bibliothèque. Where is the bibliothèque?
Modern building.
Which one?
Sorry, ma'am.
Dan Limable Modan.
Yeah.
Limable means
Yes.
flat. Wait.
Thank you,
Area. In the modern flat. So in the modern flat, then these all bibliothèque and television they indicate. But what is this? Okay. Qu'est-ce que c'est bibliothèque?
Drova.
Dhruva.
Okay.
Madrova.
Sorry. Qu'est-ce que c'est le bâtiment blanc? What is the white building?
Cafeteria.
Cafeteria. First option, cafeteria. And who will solve the televisio?
Adruvat.
Very clearly. When they told the nimable, the more than only, they will tell all these included there. So televisio and all other part. Dakar. Adruvat. And Esquilia, you will solve the concept.
We.
Exactly.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. So I hope the answers are all clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. We hope all done well. Dakar.
Madam.
Remember.
Ma'am, can you repeat Stefano's spelling?
Stefano.
Ma'am, for me it was right, but I got it as wrong.
I asked already. You have to tell name.
Lohit.
Chaitra also, ma'am. Chaitra also.
Chaitra and Lohit. Dakar. Dakar. So closing the audio part here. Okay. Okay, come back to our subject here. What about the textbook we already completed? Bilan?
Madam.
Bilan 3 we completed and we closed the textbook. I hope so.
Madam.
Yeah. So I think workbook only we have to discuss. And of course, with other things of previous paper and everything. All this.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, small doubt actually. Are we having Viva day after tomorrow, Wednesday? Or next
Wednesday only. No, Wednesday only.
Day after tomorrow, right? Okay.
Hope our Viva preparation is fine, everyone.
Somehow,
Yeah, we will see.
preparing.
Then we will talk.
But Wednesday only we already decided. So now no change. We have to finish up. So Friday and Monday it will be a disturbance again. Mock test will be there. Because I think we will be in preparation of Wednesday. So I am not forwarding. I think already I forwarded, but you can work out on Wednesday. Okay.
Yes.
You can work out on Wednesday. And if you work out on Wednesday, that one I'll discuss on Friday with some of your workbook exercises and those ones and previous papers also. And Friday I will forward one more. Just recently previous paper what they done in online final exam. So that one we'll discuss on Monday.
Ma'am, it will be the same one as like previous one, ma'am. CT test one. The form will be like a
Google form. Yes. Okay, doctor. So I think textbook we completed. I think we can close it. Okay, coming to the workbook actually. Okay, one more. If I think partitive articles from the WhatsApp and as well as from workbook, both we completed.
But we have to do prenomial verb.
That is fine. Okay. That is fine. I'm asking you related to the grammar here.
Yeah.
From workbook, this exercise I gave you time and we completed and discussed answers also. And last 12th lesson, these two exercises along with these two exercises 5 and 6 Sevode, and last 12th lesson negation 8 exercise.
Yes, all are done.
This also completed. We discussed. Then, for 1 second, come back to the 11th lesson. I asked you to work out the possessive adjectives. See 3 and 4. Once 3 and 4, did you work out or you have to do?
10, 11.
You have to work out?
No, done it.
Done, ma'am. Third one.
We did it, ma'am.
3 and 4. So you can tell the answers then?
Yes.
So it is okay. First one, El telephone. Already we discussed like an example. Sonami or Asami?
Sonami.
Sonami. So all of you want
Sonami.
to see what is our possessive adjective table? First column is with muscular, singular and feminas with vowel. Second column is only femina. And third one is plural. So mo, ma, me, to, tate, so, sa, se, notru, notru, no, votru, votru, vo, ler, ler. That is what our possessive adjective. So here it is with vowel, the femina, but starting with vowel. So sonami. And uso, is it me se de? According to the letter conjugation SYNT, you have to take care. Uso, mo se de or me se de?
Me se de.
Me, plural.
Where are the CDs? Where
Yeah.
are the CDs?
See, if it is where is, then it is where is my. Then mo will come. So according to the conjugation, it is may, mes. And third one, is it to sir or ta sir? Sir is what?
Tasser.
Tasser. Tasser.
Trivia. Sir is what it is? Sister, femina. So
Sister feminine.
ta sir, because it is not with vowel, so ta sir, ta. And marine, prawn. So livre, say livre or sa livre. Livre is what?
Salivre. Sali.
Salivre.
No. Son livre.
No.
Livre is masculine.
Son livre. That is
Livre is
MS.
masculine.
Yes.
Forget it again. That is the basic first exception. That one, livre, maize, and all those. I told
Yes.
also to take care of exceptions.
Yeah.
Yeah, from starting of your class, it is coming livre. Exception muscula. It is so livre. SYN. We losing marks only with these small things only will do. We te ta to university.
Ta.
Ta, ta.
Again, same mistake.
To, ma'am. It is vowel.
It's vowel.
Starting with.
It's femina, but vowel.
Yes.
Ton university. That is only the main thing na, in a possessive adjective. Just now we discussed with Monami, right?
Yes.
So university, femina, but starting with vowel. So to, ton. Yeah. Completely avec adjective possessive. Okay, I already told for the first bit as of example, like Jana Papa appelle Jerome. Jenepa dash portable. J subject is equal to what?
Sa
Which row?
portable. Yes.
No mame, right?
Yeah.
Portable is exception, I told already.
Yeah.
Portable is what? Muscular.
Muscular sangli. Yeah.
So it is mo, M-O-N. Okay, quelle dash numero the portable? When you are asking with question what it is, what is dash mobile number?
Votre mobile number.
Votre numero, trivia. So either it can be to or votre. But when they don't indicate anything, we have to take formal, I told. So votre, what is your mobile number? Quelle votre numero da portable? It's a general statement translation. So it comes with your.
Excuse me. Yeah, ma'am. The first one, is it mo or so? I don't have his
Mo.
number.
You didn't have?
No. The first sentence is je n'ai pas
I
appelé
told J
Jérôme.
subject is equal to what? I already have done very clearly,
Yes,
right?
yes,
The notes.
yes.
J is
Yes,
equal to first row, Q is equal to second row. As of that, you can take it is mo, ma, me.
But ma'am,
Okay.
here
This
the
is
phone number is
the
asking
meaning.
for Jerome.
Meaning, which meaning first sentence?
Yeah, what is the
Phone number
meaning
of
of the
Jerome.
first sentence? Phone number of Jerome means his number, right? So how should
You
it
can
go?
translate, you translate what is the translation
Yes.
here. It's a poor verb. Translate.
Yeah, Papa.
You cannot call Jerome. Translate, you will get it.
Yes.
It's with a J, na. Again, why it is going with so, I am not understanding. I already told directly also, J is equal to mo, ma, me. Again, why you are confusing and going with so, I am not understanding. Why his meaning will come there? You will tell I don't have the number of Jerome. Why? Because I don't have his mobile or my mobile. I cannot call Jerome means.
Oh,
Translate, you will get it.
Can be both,
my
yes.
mobile
You
only.
can't get his,
I
right?
cannot have my mobile. Yeah.
I don't have my mobile.
In the
Yes,
continuation,
yes.
we can't get his mobile.
Yeah.
No, the confusion was with the number actually. I was thinking.
No, it's
What
one
number?
number only.
Yes.
Numero is not there now.
Yes.
If
Got
numero
it,
is
ma'am.
there, then it should be there.
Yes, correct.
That is third person then. That day also that same thing only I told. Numero the portable
Okay.
is there, then it is number.
Yeah.
It's only mobile.
Right, ma'am.
Portable, that's it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Margot, aim Bia, dash école या dash professor. Yeah. 1 second.
Anje école Bia, Bia.
Loves his school. Song.
Son école.
And say professor.
S-O-N.
Professor.
Son
Yes.
école.
Son école, so a professor.
Yes.
Son école and say professor.
Is ma'am there?
Yes, ma'am is there.
Okay, she has taken a break now. Shush.
Yes, ma. Margot MBR. Margot means what it is? It is like
It's a third person
singular.
masculine. Yes.
Yeah, third person singular means it is equal to what?
Sosase.
So Sosase means based now in Sosase, based on Ecole and Professor, you have to decide. Ecole is what?
Vowel. So.
Ecole is a vowel. Song.
It's femina but vowel. Son Ecole. SYN. And Professor is what? Plurial.
Say.
Say. SES. SES. And Karim Church dash BA Datra.
So.
Trebia. So BA. Because Karim is what?
The third person singular.
Sosase. Equal to Sosa. It is like the names they are given means either ill or L. So ill or L is equal to Sosase. So BA is what? Muscular. So SYN. So BA Datra. Even if they give indirectly names, you should take the third person subject pronoun ill or L. Because if you don't know, sometimes the names are confusion. For both ill or L, it is common only. So
Yes,
there no need of thinking and wasting time. If you don't know the names, like some of the French names, commonly you can take the Sosase. So that you can, without time waste, you can do it perfectly their answer. And one more is there with possessive adjectives. Child listen. Okay, what is this? No, they have given no subject actually. No vivo dans une grande maison à Toulouse, près d'un opéra, et the dash army. Completely, anyway, the statement is with no subject. So, no is equal to what?
No, sir. NOS.
We are living in a big house at Toulouse, near of our parents and of our friends.
Our friends.
When you translate also, anyway, you will get our there. But what because of sometimes meanings when you try to translate, that much time you don't have in exam. So shortcutly, I told when subject pronouns are given to be equal to the whatever the rows are there of possessive adjective. So that part you will immediately you will try to recall within 1 second. So no is equal to what? No. So army is what? Plural. So
Plural.
what it is?
No.
No. NOS. Wait. But dash fee abita pari danla these vitiyam avek sona.
Notre.
But our
Our
daughter lives in Paris in the 18th district with her friend.
Yes.
So it is fee is what here? Femina. So for femina what is? Anyway for femina muscular it is notre only, right? So NOTRE. Notre fee. And who subject is given? What is the row? Who subject?
Otru.
Trevia. Otru. BA is what? Plural.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it is vo. VOS. And what is tra?
Tra is muscular.
Tra is masculine and it's what?
Trevia. So your train leaves in 1 hour. So here what it is? Muscular. So it is votru. VOTRE. Again it is given woo in the third one. Who's the cell? Or you single here? They're asking in plural. Or you all single? Where are dash anfa?
Wo.
Trevia. Anfa. Because anfa is equal to votru. Anfa is plural. So wo. VOS. Then mark. Okay, mark. Tu connais dash nouveau numéro de téléphone?
Wo.
No. Mark.
Do you have our new?
Do you know? It's
telephone
not
number?
now. Do you know? Mark, do you know dash new
Do you know
number?
our
New telephone number.
Our number. So notre.
अपने फोन का नंबर मालूम.
TON.
You can check out the answer once,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
because mark they give with third person singular. Sometimes a little bit with confusion. Now for more clarity, that's it.
Notre
they have given.
Notre is the answer.
So translate we know in English.
Mark, do you know our new phone number? Telephone number.
Our number.
D'accord. Yes. Mark, do you know
Our new telephone
Our
number.
new telephone number.
our new telephone number?
Yes.
D'accord. So if it is nuovo numero da telephone, means what it is nuovo? By seeing nuovo or numero, how to understand? Masculine.
New.
Masculine. Yeah.
So it is notre. For masculine or feminine, it's a common spelling, right?
Respective. Yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Maybe it's a very rare bit like this. So
Ma'am, but if we write both rows, it will be not wrong, no, ma'am.
it should be. That's what we. It's a rare bit because mark when the mark is third person
Mark is
singular,
showing
right?
the third
Mark.
person singular.
Do you know? It should come like do you know with the when it is with the question mark. It should come with my also.
Yes, my
But,
should also come.
as of here, what the answer is there, you can take it as of now. But that's what very rare this bit.
But since you
Directly-
said, ma'am, in such questions, you should go deep by default
DPV,
for first
as
person.
of the meaning, as of the statement,
Yes.
the blank meaning we have to go.
Yes.
Like 2 to 3 times we have to go on translate 1 or 2 times, one again and again, and then exactly what matches according to that we have to go.
Yes.
D'accord. So this is about possessive adjective. I want to finish one more grammatically. And negation, se wo de, completed already.
Yes.
The remaining what are there with pronoun? So come pronoun tonic ones. The other things all you can compare with your answers and complete. It's not a problem. Match the following and put the sentence in order. You can take care. Grammar topics all and complete. Yes, we discussed 1 or 2. Okay. Q abit awek artu reliye.
In which lesson?
2 name it is
In which lesson, ma'am?
10th lesson.
10th lesson.
10th lesson.
Transank. Transank.
Transank. Yeah.
Arthureliye. By saying 2 names, you can understand one muscular, one femina. So what is the pronoun tonic?
IL is ill.
O.
Pronoun
UX.
tonic.
UX.
I'm not asking subject pronoun. Oh, right. UX. Already they give options
UX.
here. L, twa. No, why ill plural came, I don't know. I'm asking pronoun tonic, na?
Yeah.
Oui, monsieur, le melon sont à toi, or vous, or lui.
Whoa.
Vu.
VOUS.
Monsieur, the melons are at you.
Yes.
Oui, because monsieur is what formal
Yes,
way.
it is a formal.
So, à vous. So, oui, il so, à moi, à nous, or à elle.
Moi.
When he is asking with you, what the answer will be there?
Amuwa.
Ah, moi, we. They are with, they are
Moi.
to me, we. They are to myself, we. Moi. Le café. It's only with the understanding of sentence there. Le café, c'est pour qui? Pour Christopher? Oui, c'est pour? Based on Christopher,
Louis.
it should be answered.
Louis.
Louis.
Pour Louis, très bien. Because Christopher is what? Muscular.
Masculine.
So, pronoun tonic muscular singular is what? Louis.
Louis.
Wait, le chat est au voisin. Means what? The cat is.
The cat is at with the
Wait, the cat
Neighbors.
is
With the
at the
neighbors.
neighbors.
the neighbors.
B.
Yes.
The cat is at the neighbors. B. Il est à dash. Based on
L.
what city, how to answer.
L.
L plural.
L plurial.
L plural.
D'accord. V. V. Il est à L. Très bien. So pronoun tonic for feminine plural it is L. L plural. Oui, d'accord. And conjugations you can complete and you can compare answers. They give directly verbs. Oui, nothing is there. Okay. Barrel antri. Agato, un glass, un pouvoir, du pate. I already asked you to work out. Did you work out? If not, take time and do it now. On spot, you can't tell. Wait, let me know. Frankly, you can tell and you can take time for 2 minutes.
This one did not do
Now
much.
give us 2 minutes, ma'am.
D'accord. I need all 4 in every bit. I need all meanings and as well as why it is odd one out. Yeah, do it within 5 minutes.
We.
It's very important. Only one exercise is there. We do it. We. Where you are?
Me, madam. Done.
We actually will be, I think, in chat box. Few of you will do messages, but generally I don't check out there because in between in the screen sharing I don't see. Wait, what is agato?
Cake.
Cake, Trebia. Glass.
Ice cream.
Puar.
Pear.
Pear, Trebia. Pate.
Plate.
No, not plate.
Go.
It's a
Pastry.
two.
It's doors.
It's pastry.
Wait, it's like a pastry.
Yeah.
Pate.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what is the odd one out then?
Pear.
Yeah, d'accord. It's puar. Even puar.
Yeah.
Yeah, d'accord. Then, because all other comes under
Bakery items.
bakery part. Trebia, very good. That is what the justification with Trebia. Sauciso. Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire sauciso?
Sausage.
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 D'accord. Salad the tomate, it is
Tomato salad.
Tomato salad.
Salad the fruit, it is
Fruit salad.
Fruit salad.
Oh, du pate.
Pate.
Pastry.
Pastry.
D'accord. Trebia. So what is the odd one out there?
Pastry.
Pastry should be the one.
D'accord. Trebia. Pastry or d'accord. Pate. Yeah. Du resa.
Grapes.
Grapes.
Du
Wine.
Wine.
Dalo.
Water.
Water.
Fruit juice.
Juice the fruit. Fruit
So
juice.
the odd one out raisin.
Raisin.
Reza.
Reza.
White
Reza.
sauce is all our drinking items.
Juices,
wine,
liquid.
water, fruit juice. That is
Yeah.
the reza, it is grapes, fruit item. D'accord. Un carafe.
Kettle for kettle.
Carafe means jug.
Jug.
One jug.
Butaye.
Bottle.
Kilo.
1 kilo.
Demi butaye.
Half bottle.
Half
bottle.
So
bottle.
what is the odd one out?
1 kilo.
Kilo.
Kilo. Trebia. Because all are related to the bottle and this one is a kilo.
Kilo.
D'accord. And here means spoon. This all fourchette means fork. With this all you have to try to go ahead with the images. The vocabulary is very good vocabulary actually. This one. Asayat plate, word glass, sarvayat towel. So it's all kuto knife. Very good vocabulary. So try to learn this vocabulary. D'accord, très bien. So barrel entry also completed. If you finish, yeah, okay. This one you try to work out on Wednesday. If we have time, it will take a lot of time if we discuss now. If you work out, then we can discuss. Then it don't take much time. So I think still you didn't work out this one. Which lesson this one? It is 9th lesson, 5th exercise. Very good exercise for perfect practice of the conjugation. You don't get in this model, but if you work out this one, then your conjugation will be very fine. Your understanding of sentence will be very good. Okay. So I told already, puvar where 2 times comes and savar, it should go according to the meaning. So by Friday, if Wednesday time is there, we'll discuss in class, or else by Friday try to complete this exercise, 5th exercise. And this is vulvar, I told. Just see the table of vulvar once, and then you can try to conjugate according to the subject given. Okay, this one you can tell me now, who is appelle khama?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, next one, who parle avec dash. Okay, first tell me what is the meaning of key?
Who?
Who? Combia?
With whom? How much?
How many or how much? Eska? It depends. Or
It's a
you
difference,
can
yes.
catch or what?
With or what?
Comma. How?
How?
And
How?
who?
Where?
Where?
Where? Keska? What it is.
What it is.
Yeah,
What it comes, with what it starts the meaning. So, who appelle?
Comma.
Comma. And I told one more hint, like down there given answer also. So, if the answer starts with V or no, then or C, it should go with Eska, I told.
Eska.
Yeah.
V. So, other than that, if it is given with the pricing system or with the quantity, then it is with how many or how much.
Combia.
Combia.
And if it is something with asking where are you going. If of course it comes like either our group, the answer
Yes.
something our group plus name, our group plus place name. Then it is with where.
Where?
The meaning where. So where are you going? So in this way, with all the shortcuts, we have to try to go ahead. And say plus thing. Say plus person is yes. Say plus thing is qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? We know the qu'est-ce que c'est and qui est, right? So if the answer is with say plus thing, it is qu'est-ce que c'est. Otherwise, it is qui est. So accordingly now, vous parlez avec dash. You speak
QUI.
Yeah, très bien. With whom? With who or with whom? We. Avec qui? Dash say. Already say they gave. And it is sata melon. Très bien. Qu'est-ce que c'est? So qu'est-ce que c'est? It's a melon. Dash tuba was cinema dama. The answer starts with V.
Esca.
Très bien. Esca. V. And here it is given in quantity. The number. Vous prenez dash the salad.
Combia.
Très bien. Combia the salad. La marche c'est dash jour.
Quel.
C'est quel jour? On it's which days? The market.
Yes,
La
which
mercredi
days?
et la samedi. Means
La
all
samedi.
Wednesdays. I told one more thing.
La.
For weekdays, LE if it is mentioned the
La.
article, it is all. Like all
Every or
Wednesdays. All.
Yes.
Whatever the particular day, all Wednesdays or all Mondays, all Saturdays, in that way it comes. Only if Mercredi Samedi is there without any article, LE, then it is only on Wednesday, only on particular Saturday. That's it. So this thing you have to take care whenever LE is given, if you understand. Okay, D apostrophe dash we are 2. The answer is
OU.
OU. D apostrophe you should understand. You have the
From
keyword.
where?
Right? Who.
Over.
From where are you coming? Means from Museum Louvre. Wait, d'accord. So the keywords I thought of discussing. Imperative, okay, fine, you can do it. This exercise also, first exercise, it's a verbs exercise, you can do it. I think this one already we discussed, right?
Yes.
With we know it is a esca, other two are with a
Kesca.
kesca.
Last one is Esca.
We. And match the following, and following according to the example, this one you can work out and do for yourself. This one I will do it. See, Benoit via the Belgic or D apostrophe or this one we discussed or not?
Discuss,
No. Maybe one or two.
You asked us to do this.
Only two, ma'am. Just
Yeah,
two.
okay. So Belgic is what actually?
Femina. Femina.
But venir conjugation. I told when venir conjugation is there, it should follow with the group. If it is with two meaning like with travailler or habiter or etre conjugation or ale, which goes with two in net meaning, then it goes with the a group or en. So venir group means it should come with D. Which one are they? DE and D apostrophe. So which is possible with Belgic?
DE.
The Belgic. Très bien. Because it is not vowel, right? So femina country, the Belgic. Okay, vous travaillez. Travailler means with two meaning.
A group.
A group or en.
Ian.
So Espan is what?
It's Ian.
Vowel.
It is
Starts
feminine
with
country,
vowel.
but it is starting with vowel. So femina country starting with vowel. Before femina countries, we go ahead with en. Of course,
En.
like before femina countries, actually we go with en. Why it is femina country means we have one rule that ending with en, starting with vowel. So an Espan. And why it is with two meaning? You are working at 2 in at 3 goes with en only. Because it's from meaning we know that it is from meaning it is de before femina country. So this part here very clearly see. When the first question with the from meaning means either venir or rentre conjugation you have to see. Like in type 1, type 2 how we discuss the same verbs. So de should be there before femina country. If femina country starts with vowel then D apostrophe. And with 2 in net meaning before femina country we should use en. That is separate.
Okay.
Now, Victor A, etre conjugation. Victor is at now. Etas uni is what? Plural.
Plural. So,
It is a group, right? Et
Yes.
means meaning etre conjugation with a group. So, os etas uni. UX. Nous revenons bientôt. Dash. Ravanir. Ravanir means, see, venir means what? To come. Ravanir means to come back again.
Come back.
Means we are coming back
Back
from.
Yeah.
You're coming back soon from only one is there.
They.
Right?
Yes. Yeah.
So Bahamas is plural, so they Bahamas.
Yeah.
And Ilvian, again Venir conjugation, the group.
The group.
But I told 4 countries with exception. Mexico
Mexico
don't confuse. What are those 4 countries?
Mozambique, Mexico, Zimbabwe,
and Zaire.
Yes.
Yes.
So Zaire on Z2 are there. In a shortcut way to remember, on Z character, last character, Zaire and Zimbabwe and Mexico and Mozambique. On 2 countries. Mexico and Mozambique. So remember that on M2 should be there and on Z2 should be there. So in that way you can remember very easily. So Mexico is not femina, remember. It is an exceptional country, so it is mascula. So mascula country means what it is? Du Mexique or
Du.
na Mexique?
Du Mexico.
It is du Mexique.
Yeah.
D'accord. So this is very important, I thought, to discuss the prepositions. So fine, then we come back to the pronominal verbs. Pronominal verbs means what? I think from the Word document I told you already. Word document and the main verbs pronunciation finished in the last class from your WhatsApp page.
Madam.
Let me know, you noted down, right? The WhatsApp, the page, whatever the list is there. Sa revaye, sa baniye, sa lave.
No, ma'am, we haven't done that.
That the main verbs pronunciation you have to do.
Yes.
Once again, forward that page, that list page again back for me from previous one. It is long somewhere. We have to go again long. We forward it back. So whatever the remaining, like match the following, put the sentence in order, and some conjugations exercises which are there. Those all you can work out for yourself and compare with your answers. If any doubt is there, particular page and bit, you can tell me on Friday. So other than that, workbook, we completed all main grammar topics and all. So no disturbance with workbook. So directly we can work out with the revision part and our model papers and your mock test. So Wednesday after your Viva, I'll forward. Okay, no worry, don't disturb now. After finishing your Viva, I'll forward. That is the sample paper actually. Okay, it's not exactly the model of your model means the model will be okay fine, but they are with blanks and as well as MCQs. 60 marks with MCQ, 40 marks with blanks. So that if at all 2 or 3 blanks are given, you people will not be in a blanks mode there, so that you will try to answer. So for that part, I just every time I am making people to work out that one. Maximum you can expect only MCQs only. No blanks will be there. In comprehension, you can expect 1 or 2 blanks. That one you know already how to respond for the comprehension. Yeah, forwarded back there.
Ma'am, we have to search just.
From media, no? I will get it very clearly, no? Directly. If you open media, it will be fine. Yeah, please see this one. Note down the main list here. These two, Saleve and Saswar also will come in this list. So don't worry. So you can note down. Sapelle, first one. You didn't note down last class. The Sapelle.
No, ma'am. We haven't noted it down.
Boys also.
I done.
Now, if anyone absent, then boys, we didn't discuss this one. All list pronunciation.
No, ma'am. We haven't.
No, ma'am.
We note down Sapelle. Okay then. Once see, anyway, I thought of doing this, what it is, the revision part like this way. But I will do on Friday only then. If I do also now, I think anyway you are not going to work out the sample paper now. On Wednesday only, right?
Oui, madam.
So on Wednesday, let me, I think it takes, or anyway, because your batch only more members are there, means till last moment also it takes the Viva part. So then if not possible, then Friday starting itself, for 5 minutes, we'll go ahead with this quick review of revision. And at that moment only, I'll forward this document because after the discussion, they requested me to forward like a quick review only for small basic starting topics. These are not all, because other topics again from whiteboard notes only, I'll keep at one place and I'll get back all those with you. And then from your notes only what you have done, again I'll be doing articles, adjectives, all those, possessive adjectives, everything, say, obey, negation, all those. These are only for the small starting topics like days, months, and genders rules, and muscular rule, and feminine rule, and plural, singular, and what are the verbs given, irregular verbs list what, so negation structure what, and what are the rules of negation, so little bit. Anyway, what I forwarded, I think 2 days or 3 days back, all at one place, all pages. So there also you can see a overview there, overlook. So all topics, all grammar topics at one place, even at last verbs with endings, and as well as the conjugation tables also are there. And ER verbs list more is there. So there, that all you can once go through and you can get it. And this one on Friday I'll discuss and I'll forward you. And one more, like final French exam syllabus, I forwarded you one Word document.
Oui, madam.
All of you. I think you have seen there. French.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
French first junior.
Yes, ma'am.
See, this one. See, all of you once this one. Here all topics are given already. Verbs are what are there, and regular what are there, irregular what are there. Verb already we have discussed. I have done from from Word document. So surely it will come. So please go through the conjugation of verb and the pronominal verbs, the imperative things I give. What are there? At last civilization, as well as from civilization from all the lessons, like from 1 to 12 from your workbook as well as textbook, and mock test 1, mock test 2. Those two we have to do at last. So up to here, whatever done, everything. So what you have to take care when you are preparing, what you have prepared and what it is still remaining, so that you will have some clarity and idea on that. So that immediate. So I think it's not this time only I just forwarded. So I have done very clearly all the topics for you. So before exam, as a quick review, you can go ahead and do it. So as of 3 places they are with the pages which I forwarded at all one place, and this is the page again with all headings where they are all topics, final syllabus, and this one what I showed you now revision, it's only up to some part anyway. Okay. So all this we should have very clear clarity on your syllabus and preparation. So then I'll do on that. Anyway, I finished for others, but we didn't finish this one now. Anyway, you don't prepare now. All will be in seminar. Viva preparation on.
Yeah.
It done. Sapele already you know, right?
Oui.
Second one, Samuse. Za sound, Samuse. Prepare well for Viva, all of you. Try to speak out whatever you prepared. Don't give much pause. Don't use English words. If you are not able to really speak out whatever the question from my end, then you can try for 1 or 2 minutes. Then you can request. Starting itself, don't tell away that we didn't prepare this topic, so I want to speak out like this. At peak moment or the worst moment only, at last moment you have to ask that one.
Oui.
Yeah. Reading part, I hope so. Everyone will be perfect only. And Prasantevu, I told Prasantevu 10 to 15 sentences. That is a common question for all. If I feel really very fine from your end, the pronunciation and your flow was very awesome, I don't touch out any question in the second part, even. So very clearly I'm telling you. So that is up to your preparation then, how it goes. I already gave you all the big support and hint for you already. Samuse. Saswar. Saswar. And next one is Sa Blesse. Sa Blesse. Let me know, Sater. Sater you wrote or didn't write? From Word document, separately. I mean, the pronunciation part I am asking.
No, ma'am. We haven't.
Yamate, Tyutate, you didn't write, we?
No.
D'accord. S'asseoir, s'ablesser, s'abrosser. S'abrosser. Say this s'asseoir pronunciation of verb, this is irregular and as well as pronominal. And that sater also looks like irregular conjugation because it's a different. So these two verbs pronunciation will be different. Other all follows like ER verbs pronunciation, but these two different. So stay back for 2 to 3 minutes. We'll complete those two also and we'll leave. S'abrosser. S'abrosser. Next one, s'accoucher. 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 Next one, sa dépêcher. Sa dépêcher. Wherever accents are there, you have to take care. In conjugation also, they continue. Sa dépêcher. Sa dépêcher. Next one, s'habiller. Sorry, sa déshabiller. Sa déshabiller. Sa déshabiller.
Missed call.
Sa déshabiller. That is to undress and this is to dress up. S'habiller. Next one is s'habiller. H is silent. We s'habiller. There also H is silent in déshabiller. I am telling sa. No H is pronounced in middle. Déshabiller. Here it is s'habiller. S'habiller. S'habiller.
Hello.
Sa lave.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sa lave.
Hello. Yeah. Tell me. No, normally we close 5:30, 6 o'clock. We close now. Normally morning we open around 10 o'clock. So during.
Sa lave.
Sure. Most welcome. Thank you.
Sa leve. Sa leve. Next one, sa promenade. Sa promenade. Sa promenade. Sa revaille. Revaille. Sa revaille. Sa revaille. Next one is sater. To be silent oneself. Sater. Sater. Sarase. Sarase. Last one is sa baniye. Sa baniye. 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 So s'appelle, s'amuser, s'asseoir, sa blesser, sa brosser, sa coucher, sa dépêcher, sa déshabiller, s'habiller, sa laver, sa lever, sa promener, sa revailler, sa taire, sa rasser, sa banier. We hope clear?
Oui, madame. Oui, madame.
Now, write for s'asseoir, the conjugation s'asseoir, write separately. Open your notes. You already note. I asked you note down these two
No,
tables
we
in
haven't
notes.
written that, ma'am.
These two tables you written in notes, right? Conjugation.
Oui,
No,
madame.
ma'am, we
So
haven't.
open there, all of you, and write this pronunciation. Jem Masayed.
Here, ma'am.
Long back, when you wrote this list, before this, I told you to write down the complete table in notes.
Madam, we haven't written that. Yes.
Yeah, open all of you. If you are ready, I will tell. Boys, did you find?
No, madam, we haven't written it.
We.
Hey, ma'am, can you open it?
Wait, what to
Can you
open?
open it?
She had to open in your notes. All fine, we have already. We
Ma'am, we haven't written it.
written or not, you have to tell me.
No, ma'am, we haven't written that.
But I told you to write. See what happened? Why didn't you write? These two tables are conjugation here only given. So please copy down. I told directly from here. Then you can note down this one and come for the next class. Then we'll do this two verbs separately, the conjugation.
Hey, madam.
You remember me from Word document Sater also. Sater and Saswar. So we'll do conjugation separately on that day. And one or two verbs from Word document Saparle and Sabrose. After doing that, then automatically you will try to do all the verbs I made them to do morning here. We see the list here. I just told them only Saparle and Sabrose, like and Samuse with one with vowel. How the year verbs we have done, just combining with Mata Sa. I have just given small guidance and very logically how to do, and I just typed the verbs here, and one by one they have done the pronunciation. So in the same way, you people also can do. So with just a matter of 10 minutes, we can finish if we have time at last.
Hey, madam.
D'accord, c'est merci then. Au revoir. So take care
merci,
and
madam.
be prepared, do well, and on that day, be prepared to switch on your videos. Take care of your backgrounds and keep ready of your videos.
We. Merci, madam.
One chance for Viva.
We.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm having an exam on Wednesday, ma'am, and I'll have to stay back in my college till 6:30. Is there any way I can do my Viva on some other day, ma'am?
No, at last you can come till 7:30. It will be there now, Viva.
I'll have to travel 1 hour from college to house, ma'am. That's why I was thinking if I can do it some other day.
That day means it will be on Friday only. More than that we
Friday,
can't
can I
postpone.
do it, ma'am?
That is on the but after the class, during class it cannot be done.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Okay. We then miss you, all of you. Take care.
Ma'am.
Also.
Yeah, excuse me, ma'am. Actually, I had a very bad internet connection problem. Actually, I missed half an hour of the part of this class, ma'am. What was the thing which was discussed, ma'am? Can you please briefly tell me?
Which half an hour?
Almost half an hour, ma'am. I didn't have the network connection, ma'am, for almost half an
Half an hour exam only done.
No. I finished, ma'am. I finished all the exams just now, ma'am, before the end of the class.
Before the end of the class, we discussed workbook exercises and the pronunciation part of pronominal verbs.
Okay.
Oui.
That's all, ma'am?
That's all. Oui.
Okay. Merci, madame. Au revoir. Bonne nuit, madame.
Au revoir. Bonne nuit.
Merci, madame. Au revoir. Bonne nuit.
Au revoir. Merci.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Merci, madam.
Ma'am, I have a question about Viva, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, first part is reading and second part is just what we will be telling.
Yes.
Any one topic. Ma'am,
Yes.
dialogue part, any one we can prepare and we can...
Not any one. All you have to prepare. The question will be asked. The question will be any one out of those.
Anything we can...
It's not anything, ma. All you have to prepare. Any one will be asked from the examiner side. I am telling. How you can prepare only one? Choice is from the examiner side. Any one out of 6, any one will be asked. You have to prepare all 6, na, second and third.
I understood that part, but dialogue, like we will write some dialogue. No, suppose like I am in a restaurant, so I will be the customer, and the examiner will be like somebody in the hotel, something like that. No?
Wait.
So any question the examiner can ask, or shall we start?
I told to follow your textbook conversation. Na, so many times I told. 6,
Yes.
9 and 10 I told to follow your textbook conversation. If you follow that one, whatever there, the question and answers there, in the same way only it will go.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, who has the Viva on Wednesday?
Viva on?
Wednesday, next class, Viva, who has it?
I didn't get you. You are asking.
No, everybody all Viva on Wednesday, which is to the class.
For all it is on Wednesday only, exam Viva.
Yeah, it's not divided into parts. It's for all the students.
Wait, I didn't divide, na. I didn't divide anyone. Wait.
But it's half an hour, right? Half an hour.
He was asking.
No,
it's full time. Full 2 hours for Viva.
Yeah, but for 2 hours, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Merci, madame. Au revoir.
Oui, au revoir.
Au revoir, madame.
Au revoir.